Bus.
Click to subscribe.
Did you hear that sound? I heard that someone disagrees every time there's a crunch.
Really? I didn't know about that. A crunchy monster. I'm not afraid. A monster! Ouch! That sounds so scary.
Shh, quiet. The crunchy monster will hear you.
He's coming! Don't eat me! Don't eat me!
Why are you here? Bao? What are you doing here?
It was you. You scared me.
I'm sorry. Did you see Hamber? Hamber? No. Why are you looking for him?
Huh?
We were building a castle.
To the left. No. To the right. Hold on, please.
What's wrong?
I think we need something more. Don't eat me! Don't eat me! Let me go! What should we do? Hamber is in danger! In the big box, big box, big box. Shh. In the big box, there's a big monster. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Monster, big monster. Where are they? Crunch, oh, the scary monster. The big monster, monster, monster. Don't be afraid of the scary. Do you hear the crunch, 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 crunch? Don't be scared, don't be scared. It is not the scary monster, scary monster. What are you doing here? Where's the crunching monster? What monster? Fry and I were just eating here. Hey guys, have some chips. So this is the crunching monster? The crunching sound was not from the monster. Wow, it's so yummy! I still have a lot. Let's eat! Yay!